Hello guys, welcome back to another installment of Funky's Garage's Hot Wheels Run? Haul? I don't know. But today we're going over these three babies. 92, pretty cool. I like the yellow color. It's like a mustard yellow. Kind of looks like this yellow. A little bit darker. Or like that yellow from the spines. Pretty cool. RT10 Viper. Classic. I'm a Mopar guy. Pretty sure these guys are Mopars too. I'm not sure. But I'm more into like classic 60s, 70s Mopar. But this one's pretty good. Oh. Another one. Right here. Skyline GTR. BNR32. I'm not sure what that means. If you know what that means, let me know in the comments. I'm not really familiar with like imports and Japanese cars. I only bought this because it has Fast and Furious on top, and it's one of my favorite movies. BNR Hot Wheels Screen Time. Yeah, pretty cool car. I like it. I just picked it up because it's Fast and Furious. And here we go. We have the classic 64 Chevelle SS. It's from the Mopar, from the Muscle Mania line. Pretty cool. I like the color. It's like a very eggshell, light eggshell color, like that shell. It's kind of dirty, but you can't tell. It's like eggshell color. I like the engine sticking out. Pretty cool. Not much. It's 2 out of 5. I wonder what the other ones were. But pretty cool. And that's it. Let me know down below which ones of these will you guys buy in real life. And let me know what Fast and Furious movie is your favorite one. I like 1 and Tokyo Drift. But yeah, let me know down below. Like and subscribe, and see you guys for next time.